Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today, let's take a look at Bee Faucet. This is a very simple site that pays directly to Faucet Pay. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard at the top. Here you can choose from Faucet, PTC sites, and cloud mining. Let's choose Faucet and pick Litecoin for now. Now enter your email address and solve the CAPTCHA box that pops up. Great, that's it. The claim goes directly to Faucet Pay. Let's choose another coin while the timer resets. Go back to your dashboard and select USDT from your faucet. Now claim the same way you did with Litecoin. Great. After you've made a few claims, go back to your Faucet Pay account to make sure you have been paid. As you can see, all my coins have been deposited to my wallet instantly. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.